Hello friends, my name is Rishikesh Subhash Chandra Sagar. I am a FMTech student of College of Engineering Pune. I am doing my MTech in Instrumentation Control and my specialization is Process Instrumentation. In this video, I am going to give you a brief introduction about Industry 4.0. After hearing the name Industry 4.0 or Industry 4.0, someone may get curious about it, as initially I was. As we know that need is a mother of invention, and as an engineer we are seeking for more excellence, more productivity and more betterment in less time. And we do craziest thing at the end of the day, results in Industry 4.0. These are topics which we are going to discuss in this video. The Industry 4.0, the literature review is nothing but the history of Industry 4.0 and Smart Factory, Impact of 4.0 and Industry 4.0 in Volkswagen Group. The first industrial revolution happened in the end of the 18th century. It introduces mechanical production machines powered by water and steam. The second industrial revolution happened in the beginning of the 20th century. It introduces mass production lines powered by electric energy. And the third industrial revolution happened in the beginning of 1917. It introduces use of electronics and IT, the use of smart controllers like PLC, DCS and use of industrial robots. Actually, Industry 3.0 introduces the term automation in this world. And now, the fourth revolution is going on, that is Industry 4.0. It introduces the system which is based on the cyber physical systems. It includes use of Internet of Things and smart devices. And these devices is connected by the Internet of Things and the smart tools like big data analytics for the betterment of industry. Every industrial revolution overcomes the drawback of previous industrial revolution. Industry 4.0 consists of Internet of Things, cyber physical systems, additive manufacturing, augmented reality, big data analytics, autonomous robots, simulation, horizontal and vertical system integration. Internet of Things. We can connect all our devices by Internet of Things. They can talk to each other. Each device is like a cyber physical system. It has its own identity and own history of data. The additive manufacturing. The additive manufacturing is nothing but intervention of man and machine at the same time. In additive manufacturing, the autonomous robots and human being works together with its expertise for betterment of production. The augmented reality. It is a term apart from virtual reality. The augmented reality uses the smart goggles which show you the picture of information of the object at the same time while you seeing that object. It gives you information about that object and how to handle it. The big data analytics. The big data analytics we can use for betterment of our industry. The data gives you every error which is happen in the industry. The every drawback happen in the industry. That's why we use the data analytics. The autonomous robots. Everyone knows that autonomous robots is used in industry for the crucial jobs and betterment of product. Actually, the simulation. If we do simulation before the completion of any job or before doing any project, we can reduce the error by simulating same plant or same concept in it. That's why we do simulation. And horizontal and vertical system integration. The horizontal system integration means the supply chain system integration. Vendor, raw material suppliers, the production unit, the distributors unit, the retailers unit, all are connected together for more efficiency. The vertical system integration means level 0 to level 4, that is enterprise level, which is we are doing in distributed control systems. Six design principles of Industry 4.0. The first is interoperability. The ability of the cyber-physical systems, that is the workpiece carrier, assembly stations and products, humans and smart factories to connect and communicate with each other via Internet of Things and the Internet of Services. Second is virtualization. A virtual copy of the smart factory which is created by linking sensor data for monitoring physical processes with virtual plant models and simulation models. Third is decentralization. The ability of the cyber-physical system within smart factories to make decisions on their own. The real-time capabilities is the fourth. The capability to collect and analyze data and provide the insight immediately. Fifth is the service orientation. Offering of services of cyber-physical systems, human and smart factories via the Internet of Services. Last one is modularity. The flexible adaptation of smart factories for changing requirements of individual models. Literature review. The literature review is nothing but history of Industry 4.0. In 2010, the German FMER initiates the service union to identify future high-tech trends with high impact on society. In 2011, first appearance of the word Industry 4.0. In 2012, final report on Science Union on Industry 4.0. In 2013, FMER reports securing the future of German manufacturing industry, the recommendation for implementing the strategic initiative of Industry 4.0. In 2014, the foundation of platform Industry 4.0. Actually, the term Industry 4.0 initiated in Germany. They called the fourth revolution the Industry 4.0. The same revolution in China they called Made in China 2050. And in USA it's called Industrial Internet of Things. The same term but different name by country. The following trends bring huge changes in today's society and build the fourth industrial revolution, which are consumer experience, mass customization, globalization, Internet of Things, remote control, 3D printing, smart object, regulation, compliance, sustainability everywhere. By using 3D printing, we can manufacture different products on same line. Because of smart objects, the failure rate is drastically reduced. By remote control facility, we can control the plant by sitting in one country and the plant is actually in another country. The Internet of Things. By Internet of Things, we can connect the things is nothing but the objects or devices to each other and allow them to talk to each other. When all the smart things comes together, it becomes a smart factory. Attributes of a smarter manufacturing sector. This is a difference between old traditional factory versus new smart manufacturing plant. More jobs, labor intensive is in old traditional factory, wherein less jobs and more automation intensive in smarter factory. Lower output and lower productivity in traditional factory, higher output and higher productivity in smarter factory. The lower quality products, the higher quality products, the lower paying unskilled jobs, the higher paying unskilled jobs, the higher risk working conditions in ordinary factory, the safer working environment in a smarter manufacturing plant, the higher environmental impacts, the less waste and resources are used, the higher production cost in ordinary factory, the lower production cost in the smarter factory, the richer higher volume production, more flexible customization in smarter plant, longer time to market, faster time to market, socially optimized Six Sigma, IT optimized model and simulation. This is the difference between smarter factory and ordinary factory. Advanced industrial assistance system based on augmented reality technologies. You can see that the industrial worker with Google glasses here. By augmented reality, the partially trained worker also do his job like a more skilled worker. In this Google goggle, it shows the how much this bolt to be turned to complete its job done, and also various parameter of that object. In the industry, what happened, they spend more time and more money to train the workers. Because of augmented reality, the partially trained worker also do its job like professional skilled worker. The cost is reduced and time is also reduced. That is the advantage of augmented reality. In the fourth industrial revolution, robots are no longer locked in the safety work cells but cooperate with human workers. That is nothing but additive manufacturing. You can see that in this picture, the robots are locked in the cage, and next picture you can see that robot is working together with human being. In additive manufacturing, there is a intervention of both machine and human being. That is nothing but robots and human being. Both are working with its own expertise for betterment of products to increase efficiency and reduce the time. A new generation of lightweight, flexible robots collaborate with humans in the smart factory. Because we call it revolution, it has to be impact on every aspect like economy, business, national and global impact, and society and on individual. It, it has power to change the economy of the world and business also. It has a huge impact on national and global platforms and society also. The Volkswagen Group in Germany, they have implemented Industry 4.0 approach in their factory, and their plant became the smart factory. The car which has to be manufactured have its own identity. The car is nothing but the cyber physical system which stores its information about customer choices which has to be built like interior, the color of car, the wheel type, the type of headlights, that's all. Because of 3D printing, we can manufacture different cars, the different choices of customers in the interior, the exterior on the same manufacturing line. The next generation robots, which is more safer, which is more smarter and more faster. It is nothing but additive manufacturing. They can work together with humans also for reduce the time of the manufacturing. In this layout of the smart factory of Volkswagen, you can see each and every aspect of Industry 4.0 they were implemented in their factory. These are some references which I have referred for make this video. If you have any queries related to Industry 4.0, please mention in the comment box below.